You should have all the grenades you got, woman. Give me something. Look, this is the only thing we got, okay? We never have. There's nothing came in the start market and nothing else. Why are you just saying that before we pre-order it or something? Yeah, pre-order means it's gonna take like more than 6 months to come in, okay? You got to get more that doesn't have that. What's wrong with you? You're gonna lay off a crack, woman. Shut up! No, I'm good. Just give me a minute, okay? Just give me a minute, okay? I mean, if you just need it right, I could just fuck out, okay? No, I'm good. You have to get one that's not pre-order, okay? You just have to, okay, let's see, you know, I hope you feel better. Let's take it, let's go!